Configuring CyberScout membership plans is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what CyberScout is and what it offers. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection and fraud resolution services, offering a range of membership plans to suit different needs and budgets. The first step in configuring a CyberScout membership plan is to determine which plan is right for you or your organization. CyberScout offers various plans, including individual, family, and business plans, each with its own set of features and benefits. It is crucial to review the different plans and select the one that best aligns with your needs and budget. Once you have selected a plan, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and contact details. This information will be used to set up your account and provide you with access to CyberScout's services. You will also need to create a username and password to log into your account. After setting up your account, you can configure your membership plan by selecting the specific services you want to include. For example, you may want to add credit monitoring, identity theft insurance, or access to CyberScout's team of fraud resolution experts. You can also customize your plan to include additional services, such as child identity protection or social media monitoring. It is also important to understand the different features and benefits of each plan, such as the level of credit monitoring, the amount of identity theft insurance, and the types of support services available. By carefully reviewing the plans and selecting the services that are right for you, you can ensure that you have the protection and support you need to safeguard your identity and financial information. In addition to configuring your membership plan, it is also essential to understand how to use CyberScout's services effectively. This includes knowing how to log into your account, how to access your credit reports, and how to contact CyberScout's team of experts in the event of a problem. By taking the time to understand how to use CyberScout's services, you can get the most out of your membership plan and ensure that you are fully protected against identity theft and fraud. In conclusion, configuring a CyberScout membership plan is a simple and straightforward process that requires some basic information and a few simple steps. By understanding the different plans and services available, selecting the plan that is right for you, and configuring your membership plan to include the services you need, you can ensure that you have the protection and support you need to safeguard your identity and financial information.